YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook default view keeps changing. So guys, if your Outlook default view keeps changing, folders show the different layout, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing is guys, you reset the Outlook view. For resetting the Outlook view, go to the option of view tab. Here go to the settings, and here you see the option of journal, then appearance, and select it to the default. Here select your classic and use colorful layout. Okay, another thing is guys, apply the view to all folders. So guys, what the view are you selected, mark as to apply to all application, all folders. Okay, here you choose the themes, go here, and here is the themes. Okay, second guys is disable automatical view changes. So guys, custom filter, or here you see that your use system settings, these are the automatic view changes. So if you select this one, so it's change it view according to your system. So you select it any one of like light and dark. Okay, another thing is guys, you clear caches of your Outlook view. For this, simply go to the settings, then go here, then settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of, here you see history, and delete browsing, and mark your caches and the cookies and delete the data. Okay, another thing is guys, you update your Outlook. So guys, if you are using the Outlook as the desktop application, so you just go to the Microsoft account, Microsoft Office, and update your Outlook. Still having the issue? So guys, instead of using the application, you try to restart your computer once and close your application, and if still having the issue, so guys, you uninstall and repair your Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so these are the basic fixes that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.